Hello,
Hello, man.
how are you?
I'm excellent. What about?
That's good. I'm good, thank you. Yes. So, what's your name?
My name is Swapnil.
Pardon?
Swapnil.
Sorry, it cut out. What's your name?
One. One.
So, so where are you from? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, that's nice. So, do you live in a village or do you live in a city?
Not that much village, but like a village.
Yes, a little town then, yeah. Do you live
Yes, sir.
alone or do you live with family?
I live with family.
Oh, that's nice. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one brother and two sisters. We
Do
are
you
four.
get along well with them?
Yes,
Yes. Are you all close?
yes, very close. They all are married. Only I am remaining.
Ah, they're all married.
Yes, yes.
Ah, that's nice. Yes. So, do you currently work or are you studying?
What, ma'am?
Do you work or do you study?
I'm studying in. I'm a BSc last year student, and I am thinking I have to MA English. That's why I'm joining a Cambly.
Yeah. Ah, that's nice. Yeah. So, how long have you been on Cambly for?
It's my first day.
Is it really? Oh, welcome. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. So, are you learning English for like work to like work abroad or to study abroad?
Yes, that. But I love to speak English, and I like that language. I like that language.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Studying English to speak. That's why. But my English is not that much good. But I can understand your language, your fluency, or um, I I do it.
Yeah. So you can practice when you practice, you'll start getting more fluent. Yes.
Yes.
So what job are you looking for? Like what area do you want to do?
Firstly, I think I'm doing MA English, and now
Hmm.
I am last year student.
Yeah.
Once is remaining, then I will complete a BSc, and after that, I will do a MA English.
Yeah. Ah, okay, that's nice. Yeah. So at home, do you have any like pets? So like any animals?
I had a pets, but now I did not. I had
Oh, what pet did you have?
a dog.
Ah, what was her name or his name?
His name is Indian.
Really? Indian. Ah, that's a cool name. Yeah. Yeah. So did he die of old age, your dog?
He left me. I don't know what happened with him. He lived with me of almost 5 to 6 years. After that, he left us. I don't know what happened with him,
Oh, so he
and
escaped.
he find some new friends. That's why he went there.
Ah, that's really sad. Yeah, do you miss him?
I missed him because whenever I say I do everything with together. We play together. We did lots of things together. And here he suddenly left us. I feel so bad, and I cried a lot.
Yeah. Would you ever get another dog?
I'm thinking about that, but I had not any idea about that because being a pet, we have to take care of them. You have to feed them goodly.
Yeah, it's a lot
Uh,
of work.
yeah. Nowadays, I'm little bit busy in my college. That's why I'm not thinking. I'm not able to take care of him that much. That's why I'm thinking. Whenever I get success, that time I will get another tea, another pet or anything.
Yeah.
Bit
Ah,
interested about horse when
a
I get a
horse.
I like to horse riding. That's why I'm
Ah,
thinking
that's
about.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how often do you go horse riding?
Uh, sorry, I
So
don't know when to use often. What, what is the
so
meaning of?
so when you ask how often, you're just asking like how much do you do it? So how much so like how many times do you go horse riding in a week?
No, I'm not. I just saw a horse. I saw many times, but I haven't
Oh,
ride.
okay. Would you want to ride a horse?
What, ma'am?
Would you want to ride a horse?
Whenever I bought a horse, that time I will ride it. I'm not
Yeah,
getting much, but I think so.
yeah. Okay. So do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, my hobby is listening Telugu South Indian song and English song also that much. But I am not. The English song is so difficult to understand. They are speaking so
Yes. They
so
speak so quick as well.
quickly. That's why I'm not getting some words. I like Justin Bieber's and lots of singers is there, but
Yeah,
he speaks so quickly. That's why I'm not getting his language. So what is the no? If you can't feel the song, then what is the need of that song? That's why I'm
yeah,
listening to something that song. I like that song.
yeah.
First song.
Do you listen to English songs every day?
No, not every day, but sometimes when I'm interested. But I listen English speaking, English speeches in English every day.
Yeah. Do you watch
I
any like English films on Netflix or like in any movies or series?
subscribe Netflix. I use YouTube only. I'm
You
not
use
that much. I'm not earning money. I'm not getting money from my father or my family give me money,
yeah,
but I'm not invested in anywhere like Netflix. It is a I think it is a damage. That's why I hadn't subscribed that.
yeah. So you use YouTube then?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have any other hobbies? Like do you like to exercise or things like that?
Yeah, forgot that. I every day I wake up early in the morning and I do running and exercise. It's important part of
Yeah. So how often do you go like running? Like do you do it a lot during the week?
since I was in 8th standard. From then I'm starting running and wake up early in the morning because my brother whenever I went when I was in 10th standard, my brother joined Indian Army,
Yeah.
the soldier, and then that time the courage and the I feel that I have to also serve our country or something like that, and I
Yeah.
tried to do it. But one problem is that my height is not that much enough to get that. So I'm
Yeah.
preferring uh, mm, officers level in officers levels in
Yeah.
Indian Army. That
Okay.
one,
Yeah.
that one is also my goal or something like that.
Yeah. So would you say that fitness is an important part of your life?
Fitness is important for because when we get old or anything, whenever we start get stick in our hand and walk like the bears,
Yeah.
don't want to like that. I want to always fit. That's why it's not good. So
Yes.
that early in the morning and do so I run almost of 5 kilometers every day.
Yeah.
And it's raining in our India. Whenever I wake up in the morning, if raining in outside, that time I'm not I'm not going for running because my shoes are sweat. It's not sweat but wet. What is
Yeah.
the word?
Your
It
shoes are wet or get wet in the
yes,
rain.
yes.
Yeah.
That our legs is very heavy and it is not comfortable to run. That's why
Yeah.
I can't go that time. So
Yeah.
that's why in the morning also raining. That's why I can't go there
Yeah.
outside.
Okay. Yes, fitness is also an important part of my life. I train karate. Have you heard of karate?
Yes, I knew that. I'm
Yes.
interested in that because self What is the word?
Self-defense.
Defense is also important. If someone trying to hit you or something, you also react to them. That is also important.
Yes. So I did my exam for black belt on Sunday and I passed. So I'm a
Oh
black
my
belt now in
God.
karate. Yes. So I'm very happy about that because it's been a dream of mine to be black belt. So yes, I'm very happy about that. So I'm going to continue on with my training and get stronger as well. I want to be stronger as well. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah. So I did it with my dad. I would go train with my dad. He's got his black belt already.
Oh,
And then I got mine afterwards. Yes. So we're both black belts.
that's good.
Yeah, so we can protect my mum. Yeah.
Bro, that's good. Uh, that's good. I'm also think about that, but I do not have that much time. But
Yeah.
that's important. When I will get something, when I am capable to do with myself, when I able to do everything with my that time I will get to that.
Yeah.
I what is the exact word of that? But I hope you understand my
Yeah,
language
yeah,
or
yes. Yes. If you
my
don't have time, there's also videos on YouTube as well for like
yeah,
self-defense. If you want to learn things on YouTube, there's a lot of videos. Yeah.
yeah. I had a one boxing punch, not like it hang up in our
Oh,
wall.
punching bag.
Yes, yes, yes. I made it by myself.
Okay.
I put there in a clothes, old clothes. I put in the one pant
Yeah.
and went there and I practiced that. But I am not doing that now because
Yeah.
I had not that much time. I
Yeah.
like. I glad to meet you. Thank you, ma'am. I think it's my first day on Cambly,
Yeah.
and I feel so a little bit ill because raining. I was waited one day, and from then I feel so ill and thrown also, and
Is it COVID?
yes, yes, and
Yeah.
cold. So
Yeah.
that's why voice is so rough today.
Sore
Not a
throat.
rough,
Yeah.
that not that much good.
Yeah. Hopefully
How
your throat feels better soon.
what, ma'am?
I hope your throat feels better soon.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yeah.
will get soon. How is your weather, ma'am?
The weather here is sunny, so it's summer at the moment.
There is where do you live?
England.
There is a summer,
It's summer here right now, so it's hot.
and here is a like winter or raining. What is the what we call it? Raining time.
There's no season for raining time, so there's four seasons. So winter, which is the coldest, and then
Yes.
spring, summer, autumn.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes, so here is summer, so it gets to 30 degrees in the summer.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
not as hot
That's
as other countries in the summer because other countries get to 40 degrees. Yeah.
yeah. In summer here is a 45-degree or little something.
Oh
Tem
wow. Yeah.
India,
Yeah. So very hot. It gets very hot in the summer there.
so hot.
Yeah. Do you like hot weather?
I like winter.
You prefer winter?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because winter you wear a jacket or little bit. I like that. Or it
Yeah.
is one we can't get very quickly. We can't get so quickly sweat. We haven't sweat
Yeah.
in winter, and in summer we run only 1 hour. We will sweat, or that's a problem. But
Yeah. You get really sweaty in the summer. Yeah. I even have my I have a fan in my room right now because it's hot and I have my windows open. Yes. Yes.
yeah,
So it's not summer is nice, but yeah, it can be annoying because of the bugs as well.
yes,
Yes. Like yesterday a wasp like came into my room and everything. Um yeah, do you know what a wasp is? It looks like a bee, but it's like smaller.
what? I'm not getting it.
Oh, oh, we have a few seconds left.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah. No, no, it's okay. It was nice to meet you.